Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. So as promised, I'm going to do a video on this string trimmer. Not really woodworking, but it's part of the Ryobi Days sale, and it's what I picked up this time, so I figured I'd give you a little video on it. Why not, right? So for those of you that don't know or missed the other video, Ryobi is having Ryobi Days right now, combined with like a Father's Day sale, so there's a bunch of stuff on sale. So the Ryobi Days sale is basically 3 big ticket items and then a bunch of little kits and stuff. The 3 big ticket items are the BOGO things, the buy one, get one. It's a 2 battery charger kit and a 3 battery charger kit. Obviously, the 3 batteries are 2 4-amp hours and a 2-amp hour and some HP tools, $199. The 2 batteries are a 4-amp hour and a 2-amp hour and some non-HP tools, some lower price tools. Obviously, it's a lower price package. And the third thing in the middle is this string trimmer right here. And this is, I'll read you right off the cabinet here. This is the 13-inch 18-volt string trimmer edger kit. And kit is essential here. We are getting a charger and a 2-amp hour battery with the string trimmer. So this is a lightweight design. It edges as well as, trims, weed whacks. I think I told you in the last video, I have the big 40 volt extended string trimmer and edger, the 2 kits that you can put on the edge of that thing from my old house. I moved into a townhouse. I don't need that big thing anymore. And I'm in the middle unit of a townhouse, so I have to walk all the way around the units to my shed, take it out. I don't have to weed whack anything in the backyard because it's a fenced in patio that's all decked and pavered. There's nothing growing back there. I gotta walk all the way around the front of the house to weed whack basically 13 foot of sidewalk. It's a pain in the butt. This is gonna fit right in my coat closet. I can walk out the front door, weed whack that 13 feet, put it right back in the coat closet. So, as I mentioned in the old video, my godson just purchased a house with his girlfriend. So he's getting the 40 volt because he bought an acre of land with his house. He's gonna need the 40 volt. I need this nice lightweight trimmer. So let's get it open. There is some cardboard jammed in there. Make sure you take that out. And then you just slide her together. Let me flip this so you can see it. Okay, that's good. Okay, guys, I turned the camera off for a minute trying to figure out how to put this handle on, and apparently you just spread it and slide it on there. I did that off camera. And I don't really want to take it off again. You just spread this and slide it over. And now we just put the bolt back on. Now the handle's on tight. All that's left is this guy here. Right here, covering the blade, which is nice, they have a little plastic thing that is holding the screws for this. Okay guys, the shroud is on. I do have to take a piece of tape off of here. This is the blade that will cut the string to length. This is an automatic feeding mechanism, so you don't bump this one like you do some of the more heavy-duty machines. Every time you squeeze the trigger with this device, it's going to advance the line 1/4 of an inch. But like I said, because this is not a bump machine, this is an auto feed. Every time I pull that trigger, another 1/4 inch comes out. This spins and it will hit that blade and it will continually to top it at 1/4 of an inch. So when 1/4 of an inch comes out, it'll top it at 1/4 of an inch. if you hit a fence or something and cut it down a couple inches, you know, you could squeeze it and make it come out. But there is a button here, and the button is back here that you can push, and it'll allow you to pull more out if you need to pull a little bit out. And this mechanism in here, there is a spool in here. Let me bust this open for you. Okay, so this spool is loaded with, I'm hoping they gave me 080. This, I believe, will take 080 or 065. You want to run the 080. There are two ways to refill this. You could take this spool out and refill it. You can buy a 100-foot roll of the .080 line, or you can buy these individual spools and just put it in there and pull it through. And then just pop this back on, and you're rocking and rolling. The only thing you don't bump this. This will break if you try to bump this to advance. Advancing the cord is done by either squeezing the trigger, which will advance it 1/4 inch every squeeze, or, and they do recommend taking the battery out to do this. There's a button right here that you can push. If you push this button, you can pull the string out as far as you want. So I can pull it out till it's, now I'm a little bit past. So the first time I turn this on, it's going to clip a little bit off. So that's right where I want it. So this is assembled. This is ready to go. All we need is a battery. And it did come with a battery, and the battery has no charge, which is not shocking. So I will put it up here in my charger, and I will grab another battery because I have more than one. And this one is charged, and I will put it in here. And that noise you heard was it clipping the string. Alright, so there it is, guys. There's the 18-volt, 13-inch string trimmer that is currently on sale at Home Depot during the Ryobi Days sale. It comes with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger. And as you can see, for a small little townhome yard like I have, it is the perfect size tool. I could literally weed whack that entire yard if I wanted to with this thing. But it's perfect for me. I think it would be good for anybody with a yard this size. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And we will see you in the next one.